Okay, so this is how I'm going to record my progress in this thing. But I'm only going to give myself 3 minutes. So, but I don't know if I'm going to post this somewhere or not. So I guess this is an introduction to what I'm doing, but I could write that 18 seconds down. Great. So the theme of this term's concert is power and powerlessness. We just started. Today was my first day with the students because I've had COVID for the first week of school. So that kind of threw me off a bit. But it did give me an opportunity to sit with some material and kind of define what I want to make, or how I want to approach this concept of power and powerlessness. I found 5 songs, all having to do with power, that address power in different ways, that also can lend itself to a narrative of a actual current event that's happening right now with Breonna Taylor, and the judge's decision in that case. I'll go into that in the writing. But I found a song, and then I found a song that I know, and then I found a different version of that song that the artist made in 2020, right after Breonna Taylor was killed. And I just found it. So that kind of, and I'm using this Audre Lorde poem called Power, that also speaks to police brutality, specifically in Black neighborhoods. Now, these kids are not Black. Most of them are not. So it's not really about that, but it is about that. So that's the premise of this thing. Oh, God. One more minute. So that's what I've been thinking about. Today when I went in, it was my first day back and we just did a short warm-up, but I decided that my objective this year would be to continue exploring embodied pedagogy, and also prioritizing technical skill equally. So I know that's a question that's been asked in research. That is something that I'm going to try to actively build using, in the Dunham Institute, we call it backwards planning. We did the same thing in our 7-session plan for Dr. Reisner's class previously. So it's just giving a big objective and goals and then breaking it down. What do I need? And then planning backwards, literally. So that's what I'm going to do. That's how I'm going to approach this project. I will write more, but I'm at 3 minutes.